Guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you is Netbox browser is useful for PC or not. So guys, go on my channel. Guys, just subscribe to my channel for all new upcoming videos. And guys, I will have a surprise for you. So guys, watch all video, like the videos and just share all videos. Guys, the method of earning NBX coin in a day for free I will give you at the end. So guys, watch all videos. So we can start the video. Guys, this is my account, this is my wallet on laptop. So guys, this browser is almost done, almost create for PC and mobile. I will use in my laptop, I will use in my phone. Guys, you don't have any laptop, you don't have any PC, so guys, don't take tension. Guys, you just go on your mobile, you will just get the browser from my link. I will give you link in the description. You just go there and just click on the link, you will get your browser. And guys, you will able to earn NBX coin for free. You just go on my channel, just click the description box, I will give you a link. You just click on the link, you will get your browser, you will get your wallet. Just how to create a wallet, how to sign in a wallet, you just go on my channel. I will give you every information in every video. You just go on my channel, you will watch all the videos and you will take information. I will just simply do everything. You just go on my channel, watch all videos and you will take your wallet, you will take your browser. So guys, in this video I am going to show you is Netbox browser Globle. This browser is useful for Google, this browser is useful for Chrome. Guys, this browser is make money in a day. Guys, you just go on my channel, you watch the videos and you will get your NBX coin for free. So guys, hurry up and watch all the videos, like all the videos. So guys, thanks for watching.